Good morning. This old French house to rebuild. It's the 18th of April. Me and Alan. Hey Al.
Morning.
We're back again. Bit achy after yesterday's endeavours, but such is life. Right, we're just doing a little bit of prep work, so we've just got to clean up any mess on top of the block work. We're taking down our profiles. We've got to sweep the top of the blocks, and then we can mix up some of this glue product. So this is the product that we're using, whatever that means. But we have this fancy little gadget, so you pour it into here. And then what you apparently do is this. And that puts the glue bed down for us. So we'll just get prepped up and then we'll start building some of the action as always. Right, let's get a mix on. Come on. Got to make sure we get the consistency right, not too runny, not too Right, let's lay a block and see how it goes. What's that, mate? That's right, talking to the camera. We've both never done this before, so we're just like a little bit experimental in what we're doing. This is ridiculously quick. Right then, we got on site 2 hours ago and we've already set up and gone around once. So now it's just going to get faster and faster. Now we know what we're doing, so there you go.
Too high for me.
Yeah, till it gets too high and then I got to take over. Right, we'll come back when we're a couple more courses higher. It's at the far end, on a pallet, opposite end, yeah. That was lucky, the boss suddenly turned up. Hello ladies. Sky looks impressed as always. What do you think, baby girl? We're in the kitchen. He's bothered. So at the moment we're just carefully setting out where the windows are going to be. So window there, bathroom window there, bedroom window down there. We're all extremely impressed with how fast this system is. It is ridiculously quick. Yeah, we are very impressed. So just going to stop the plans flying off. But yeah, we'll come back when we're laying some more. Right, we've not been filming because we're busy cracking on, so progress. Quick look around. It's going alright so far. We've had a few little issues where sometimes you might get a bit of dirt or they're not quite perfect, so it's kicked, but we've worked out we can resolve it with the use of a grinder, so we can sort that out, so that's good news. I'm about to start on that run there. Alan's finishing this one here, so let's film the magic. Right, it's getting way too hot, which is making our job extremely hot and sweaty, and the gear is obviously going off a lot quicker, so it's not exactly making it a fun process now, but we will endeavour, is that a good word? Endeavour. Right, that's the end of our working day today. We've just had a bit of a site clean up to make sure we're working in a nice safe area, not tripping over ourselves. Cleared all the rubbish out, cleaned up all the brickwork. Not bad progress at all. Let's go to higher ground. There you go, that's a better view. So as you can see, we've got all our openings now marked out for where all the various windows and doors are going. Tomorrow it looks like we're going to need scaffolding because it's getting a little bit high, so I think we'll sort that out in the final delivery of blocks are coming. I ordered a little bit short, so hopefully once we get up near we can have a quick count up and buy exactly what we need, so we've not got excess lying around. Anyway, let's come back tomorrow. Right, that's another edit finished. Yeah, like I've said in the video, we are so impressed with how quick this Porthorn system is. It literally just, it is flying up. So we sort of guesstimate by the middle of next week, around Wednesday, Thursday, we are going to be up near the wall plate. Probably going to have to slow down a little bit when we have to deal with the lintels and stuff. But it looks like it's going to go up really quick. So yeah, great, absolutely exhausting. The hands are killing. They really do hurt from picking up those blocks. So they're quite, you know, they're bulky. They're 500 by 300 by 200. So yeah, not too weighty, but yeah, just hard work, especially when you're lifting them all day. Anyway, thanks for all the likes and all the comments. Really appreciate it. It makes it worth, you know, making the videos. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.